Hello, beautiful tribe. What is Sananga? Sananga is a very powerful Amazonian eye medicine in the form of an eye drop. It is traditionally used as a hunter's medicine. So in this way, we can use Sananga like a bow and arrow for our intention in our lives. So if you really focus and pray, and your intention is your arrow, you want to really pray, and your prayer and your intention is like releasing that arrow with full clarity, and it penetrates and it just clears. It's like it's wiping away so many different blockages and different layers that is standing in the way, one, for your highest potential, two, for your prayer and your manifestation. So this is one way that we can work with the spirit of Sananga. If you think of our energy fields, because we're physical, energetical, and etherical bodies, it's very important not only to keep your physical vessel clear and clean, like with Cambosito, but also to keep your energy bodies very clean and clear. If you think of ourselves like an onion, and we just have these layers and layers and layers of blockages, of things, of programs, because we're like computers that have been programmed from society and our environment and things that you consciously take in or not. So it's amazing to really help clear all these layers that we have accumulated. So how to use it? Please set up a sacred space, an environment. If you are someone who's working with sacred medicines, this is essential to set up an altar for your sacred medicines, your crystals, your offerings. Keep a sacred space in your life. Create a ceremonial environment, and this doesn't have to be anything extravagant. Play some really nice peaceful music. First, clear your space with either sage or Palo Santo. Set your intention in prayer. Call all of your guides, and especially the spirit of Sananga and the spirit of the indigenous tribes who've held this wisdom and knowledge for us to be able to return to this way of life and remember who we are. Thank you to the plant kingdom and the spirit of Sananga. Especially, you must, anytime you're working with a plant, you must call the spirit in. Otherwise, you're not going to have any sort of connection. So once you have called everyone in, offer your prayer and your intention, what you would like to use the medicine for. Lie down, close your eyes, and put a drop in the corner of each eye here. As you're laying down, your eyes are closed. Put a drop in the corner of each eye, and then open your eyes and blink, 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 and breathe. I always feel Sananga here in the solar plexus. It is a very solar medicine to really stand in your truth, to really stand tall and strong and firm in who you are, creating safe boundaries for yourself, and really sending this energetic pathway of who you are. So other ways that we can use our intention and our prayer with the spirit of Sanangita. Sananga helps with clearing the energy field, very much like Hape, clearing the energy field, realigning our chakras, balancing our energetic system, helping us to calm, be peaceful and quiet and ground and root and center into the earth, and also connect up into the stars like this beautiful cord, this solar cord of light. It helps with our perception of seeing, of course. It's an eye medicine. So let me ask you, how are you perceiving things in your life? Are there areas that you do not want to see that are maybe hidden from you, or blockages within your perception of seeing with others, which is just a reflection of yourself? So I invite you to use this medicine in this sacred way as an inventory check first with yourself, to really clear any blockages, to help release what is no longer serving you, and what has served you, please give gratitude for it as showing up as a lesson. So how are we seeing? How are we seeing things in our surroundings, in our reality? How are we seeing ourselves in others? It helps to clear your third eye. So to help open and activate these channels up in here and here. And for me, this is my high heart chakra and my solar plexus. All chakras. I would like to invite you to work with this medicine in this way first, to really do an inventory on yourself. Am I at peace with the way I'm perceiving things in my life? You can use this medicine for anything that is of your highest good, to bring in, to magnetize your own energetic being and also what you would like to attract. Sananga also helps on the physical level to help with glaucoma, cataracts, all sorts of degenerative eye diseases within the physical eyes, degeneration. I had one sister who was using Sananga every day, and she had like really thick eyeglasses, and at the end of her bottle she went to the eye doctor and she had to change her prescription and her eyeglasses. Gracias, Sananguita. Have a look at our testimonies on our website and you will see some people having really incredible, powerful testimonies with the spirit of Sananga. Like anything, you use the power of your prayer, the power of your higher self, in declaring whatever you speak, magic from your mouth, you weave. It's this co-creation with the spirit of the plants and with the spirit of creation, with God, with Source. So please be mindful of that which you are creating for the highest good of yourself and for others. For me, it started when I was doing a lot of really deep work in the Amazon, and I was going to maybe my 4th or 5th ayahuasca ceremony, and I sat down and it was like, again, you know, and I checked myself and I was like, whoa, what? This is a blessing to be able to sit with this medicine. It was because I was doing so much deep work and deep clearing that I was approaching it in that way. So when I checked myself, I was like, wait a minute. This is a blessing to be able to sit with this medicine. You are a powerful co-creator. You declare how you want this to go. I've always prayed to the spirit of ayahuasca, and all medicines actually, to learn to see what I need to see, to hear what I need to hear, to feel what I need to feel, to receive what I need to receive in a way of ease, joy, bliss, and grace, that it doesn't have to be painful. This is very ingrained that something's not working if it's not painful. And I know there's a lot of this energy and thoughts around using Sananga. This is an evolution of where we are all going. Hopefully one day we won't need to use plants. The plants are our friends and our allies to be able to get us to a certain high vibration. Then you should graduate. You should move on just to energy medicine and be able to sit with a plant and just receive and communicate with its energy the same way you would as ingesting its body. So in this way, we're really raising the vibration. I wanted to speak about this experience that I had with the spirit of Sananga. It was a long time ago, and me and my girlfriends were in my room and we'd all lay down and we did Sananga. And we all started giggling like little girls, like crying. We were laughing so hard. And we had so much fun, and it was right after we had done Sananga, and we were like, wow, that's amazing. The spirit was communicating to us and through us that, I don't like to use the word healing because this implies that we're broken, and we're not. We just need to clear. The clearing energies, it can be joyful, it can be fun, it can be blissful, and in most cases, like for me when I'm with medicine, it is orgasmic. It is for you to go home to yourself, to who you truly are, your highest aspect. And oh, that's so delicious. When I make medicine, this is one of my prayers. That seeing, hearing, feeling, understanding, receiving messages from the divine in a joyful, blissful, sweet, ecstatic way. This is the energy that we're in now. So let's bring it down. Let's bring that heaven down on earth, baby. As we are evolving, the spirit of Gaia is evolving. So of course, the plants are going to change. The whole frequency, we are changing the game right now. All of us collectively as we're doing this work. And oh, how beautiful it is. It makes me so happy, so ecstatic. I'm so grateful and so blessed to be able to do this work with my brothers and sisters, the family of light. We're all walking each other home. I pray for all of your journeys with the spirit of Sanangita and align into your highest aspects of who you are, these beautiful, magnificent beings lighting up this planet.